Hi everyone, today I want to show you these unique and useful vacuum bags. I will check out the 5 to 8 and 10 to 14 gallon bags, but various sizes are also available. Each pack comes with 5 or 10 vacuum bags. They are tear resistant and durable. Specifically, these 10 to 14 gallon bags are well sealed and consist of double layer material, which is perfect for heavy duty cleaning due to durability and tear resistance. They are also leak proof because of their sealed entrance hole. Efficient dust containment. The 12-gallon bags come with 5 bags per package and have a collar system preventing dust from escaping during disposal, leaving a clean space and no mess. Compatibility. Compatible with 10-gallon, 12-gallon, and 14-gallon vac bags designed to ensure optimal performance seamlessly and come in 5 bags per package. Quality control process undergoes strict quality control procedures to ensure ultimate performance and durability when compatible with the 90662 vac bags, perfect for residential, industrial, and commercial use. Perfect fit. The 90672 are suited for various models and brands of vacs. Contractors, cleaners, and homeowners love them because of their unique features and benefits. You can easily find which kind of model vacuum this bag is compatible on the label showing the UL listing. The model number should be clearly marked and printed on the listing. Once you receive your vacuum bags, it only takes 3 steps to install. Remove the bag from the package, install it, and start cleaning. No matter which size of vacuum cleaner you own, having the right vacuum cleaner bag is essential to keeping your space clean and tidy. With these compatible filter bags, you can be sure that you are getting the most out of your shop vac vacuum cleaner. So make sure to stock up on these high quality bags and enjoy a clean and healthy environment.